Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is day 11 of being productive in coding. Today I'm gonna solve 367 problem, that is valid perfect square. In order to do this problem, all you need to have some basic knowledge in math. This is really very super simple problem. They will give one number and we need to return true if that number is perfect square. We need to return false if that number is not a perfect square. And they also mentioned one condition: we should not use any kind of built-in library function like square root, pow, all these built-in functions we should not use. Now how can we do this problem? There is one method called binary search method. With that method we can approach this problem very easily. So let's solve this problem. I want to end this day 11 with this problem. It's really, I feel like it's super easy with this binary approach. Okay. For binary search method, all we need to have two pointers. Let those two pointers be left pointer pointing to the one and the right pointer pointing to the half of the given number. Okay. Now I'm going to use while loop, left less than or equal to right, and I'm taking mid value of these both left and right numbers. So left plus right minus left divided by 2. This is the mid value of these two. And now I'm taking one variable called square, that is mid star mid. Okay. Now I'm checking whether this square is equal to the number. If it is equal to the number means return return true, saying that it is a perfect square number. Return true. If if that square if that square itself is less than number means update the left value by incrementing the mid value. Okay. If it is not means update the right by decrementing the mid value. Okay. Now at last we need to return false, saying if the number is not a perfect square, false will be returned. Let's execute. The test case is accepted. I'm gonna submit this code. One test case is failed. Okay, we need to handle one edge case. That is, if number is less than 2 means return true. This test case I missed, so I'm again submitting. It passed. This is simple binary search method. First we have taken right value as half of the number, and from this we took mid value of the both left and right, and mid stores the mid value of left and right, as I said. And now square is nothing but mid cross mid. Now if the square is equal to number means we return true. If the square is less than number, we will just update the left. If it is greater than number means we will just update the right. That's it. This is simple binary method and it is very beginner friendly. That's it from today's guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.